Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to show you some tricks and techniques about WhatsApp again. Maybe some of the people knows this and some of the people doesn't know. So the peoples who doesn't know about this is very interesting thing for them. So let's start. So first we open WhatsApp, but first I want to tell you uh, what I am going to explain. Sometimes on the groups the people send different types of videos and the pictures, and it download when you download, so it comes on your mobile, and it take space in your mobile, and because of it sometime when you need it, so there is no space, and then you start to delete the videos and the pictures. So in WhatsApp there is one option. You can see the videos and the pictures only on WhatsApp, not on it will not download in your mobile, in your Android or smartphones. So let's see how we do this. So suppose I open this group. Now what I have to do, all the pictures, all the images I don't want to download in my mobile, in my gallery. So I open this group. I will click on the top where it's written the title of the group. Then I will come in media visibility. There are many options: mute notification, custom notification, media visibility, and group setting. So first you will come in media visibility. You click on it. Show new downloaded media from this chat in your phone gallery by default, and by default it will be yes. After that, yes or no. So you click on no and then click OK. So now any of the video, any of the picture, it will not download in your computer. You will see on the WhatsApp, and then it will not take space. So that was the first thing, and this is very useful and interesting thing, because most of the time I need the space, and because of the videos and pictures I cannot store a big data or the new data in my mobile. Okay, so now this is the first thing. Now the second thing I will show you. In the setting, you will click on these three dots, go to the setting and go to the notification. Once you go to the notification, you can change your notification tone, which tone you want to keep when some of the notification, the messages or the videos come. So which bell or which ringtone you need it. Suppose this one or this one. This one. This is too big. Okay, so I select this one. Then the light. Which light you want in your WhatsApp screen once the message come or notification comes. So you can select the light. Suppose I choose green. Okay, the group notification, here also for the group notification you can choose the tone, which tool you want. I press this. Okay, here also you can choose the light. Calls, if somebody call you on by WhatsApp, so which tone, it will come this tone. Press OK. Now I come back. Now I come in chats. From here I can change the theme light. It should be dark or it should be light. I press dark. You can see I change this color, but I put light. The wallpaper, you can change it from the gallery, from the, if you have in your mobile, in your Android, or you want solid color, which color you want. So you can choose this one. You can choose the font size, which font size you want for the texting, small, large, or medium. You can change the application language, which language you want it. Okay. Chat backup, I told you in the last video about WhatsApp how you can take the backup, and I will put the link for my last video so you can see. So about the chat backup and chat history, so I come back. Data and storage uses, I told you on the last video also. If you click on storage uses, so it will show how much MB or how much space you took with your friends chat. Means you can see, suppose this group, it took 387.4 MB, this 197.4. so like this you can see all the space for everyone, whoever in your WhatsApp. This one also you can see my previous video. When using mobile data, so you can choose photos, audios, videos, document when you are using the mobile data. So which parts of the gallery it should be contained. You can invite a friend from here, from the Facebook, from the mail, emo, or whatever. You can import it. From the account, I told you about this also. This is a full video. I told you about the two-step verification. This is very important, your mobile number, and everyone should make this two steps verification. Last scene, my contact, everyone, nobody. Yeah, you can choose all these things I explained you before, so no need to explain again because the video will be too long. You can change the number. You will click on next, and if you want to change the number, if you lost your the mobile, or you forget your mobile somewhere, so if you put two steps verification, so nobody can use this until you will give them permission. Okay, so these are the things in this video. I hope you like this video, and so if you need anything else, you can write in the comment box, and without any hesitation you can ask any question about this. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.